Hi everybody, my name's Ed Morris and I'm the Technical Manager for Altecnic. I just want a short, quick fire video today where we're going to talk about our 108 series antifreeze valve. Now, first of all, look at why we fit antifreeze valves. Now, they're designed to go into heat pump systems and they're there to prevent ice from forming within the circuit. Now, there's two types of ways that heat pumps are installed. One is with a glycol filled system and one is with a freshwater system. Now, with glycol, the prices of glycol are getting expensive. You know, it's an expensive thing to use. It's something you have to go back and maintain should that become diluted. Whereas with a freshwater system, you take that away from there. Now, the way that the valve works is as the temperature in the circuit drops in the outdoors, so the coldest parts of the circuit, as it starts to drop, when it hits the temperature about 3 degrees, there's a thermostatic element in the bottom of this valve which will start to contract. Now, what that allows to do is it allows a small amount of water to flow through the drain at the bottom of this valve, and it encourages flow through the system, enabling it to not freeze and maintain operable. Now, once that temperature starts to reach about 4 degrees, so as it starts to warm back up again, it will start to close down and start to act again. It was, close down. Now, what's important to remember that this has to be installed at 15 centimeters or 150 mil above the floor, because if the outdoor temperatures are excessively cold, you are going to get a build-up of ice start to form beneath the valve. So we have to make sure that we eradicate that by installing it further away from the floor to do that. So it's very simple in how it works. It's easy maintainable. You can maintain both aspects of it, so you can remove the top. You can also remove the bottom, so should the thermostatic element or the thermostatic cartridge become faulty or start to malfunction, this whole section can be taken apart and cleaned or replaced as is needed. So that is our 108 series antifreeze valve, which is designed for heat pump systems. Now, if you want any more information on this valve or any other valves in our range, head over to our website, which is www.altecnic.co.uk, where you'll find data sheets, IOMs, product specifications on all of our products. Or if you want to see some more videos, head over to our YouTube page. So head to YouTube and find Altecnic, hit subscribe, and you'll see plenty more content there in our valves. Thank you for watching.